Hello developers, today we are going to see how to use a React Native Collapsible in our React app. So this is our desired output of this video. In this first section, this is a simple collapse. And the next section, we use a multiple collapses with the navigation button like this. With the multiple toggle switch, which will allow the multiple collapsibles to expand at the same time. This is our basic React app. As you can see, the app is showing the simple text from app.js file. So let's get into it. First, we will import the components and library we're going to use in our code. After that, we'll write some dummy content to show. Now we will create selector tab. Now this will make the active selector default. This is for the first section, the collapsible condition for the single collapsible. And for the second section, this is the collapsible condition for the multiple expansion if allowed by the switch. This will activate the toggling state and single collapsible. Now let's set up the active session state here. After that, we will create an accordion header view in this accordion content view. This is a syntax for accordion content view. Now in safe area, we will write some code for the single collapsible header and the content of the single collapsible view. After this, let's create a multiple expansion allowed switch. Now we have to create a navigation menu. We can also call them selectors. Selectors values will be sent to the set section functions upon the press, so which will expand the accordion accordingly. Here we will write some code for the expandable and accordion list. This is for any default active sections, and this is for the title and context of the accordion. You can use any type of component you want, like touchable highlight, touchable native feedback, touchable opacity, touchable without feedback. As we finish the main code, we will write some CSS files that we already assigned. Now let's import those three libraries from the GitHub repository one by one. Now we are good to go. As you can see, we got our desired output of this video.